City of Hendersonville continues to rebuild after Hurricane Helene badly damaged the area. A community meeting detailed plans for its pool and community activity center. Our Laura Miller was there in a story you'll only see on 7.
Hendersonville city leaders say Patton Pool and the Whitmire Activity Center were significantly damaged by Hurricane Helene, and they can't reopen without major renovation. So city council members are taking a look at some proposals. Wednesday night, developers presented 2 designs for 2 major replacement projects. For the Whitmire Activity Center, developers plan to build shuffleboard courts, a picnic center, and improve flood risk areas. The options total at either $3 million or $7 million. And the Patton Park and Pool project proposal includes either a 25 or 50-meter pool, a new skate park, basketball courts, etc. The options total at either $37 million or $49 million. Hendersonville's Mayor Pro Tem Jennifer Hensley says the workshop was beneficial for the community, but funding is the big issue.
It's really mind-boggling and very intimidating to look at all the numbers and to not have any assurances from the government right now on what's going to be reimbursed.
The city only just received under $1 million to replenish emergency response money and fixing roads Monday.
I know folks are frustrated and with the timeline, and I'm frustrated.
And repairing the areas won't work. Hensley says a replacement is needed because FEMA will not pay for repairs.
There would be no reason to repair something that is already badly damaged that is likely to continue seeing more damage, and that is just a really poor use of taxpayers' money.
But folks in the community say Wednesday's discussion was still one step towards things being back to normal.
Seeing a project like a pool come together post-Helene means that maybe we're really making some strides in other areas as well.
The city plans to apply for more FEMA funds to help pay for replacement projects. In Hendersonville, Lauren Miller, 7 News.
And council members say they will come back in October for more discussion on the concept ideas for the community pool and activity center. The city is currently applying for 12 additional grants.